Hello, viewers, welcome. We are still on episode 23 of Ratio and Proportion. I believe by now you are able to watch all the episodes and follow through as we are traveling to the end. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please, I indulge you to subscribe to receive notification for this exciting episode. Share this video with somebody who you think may need this for his learning. His or her learning. Alright, so let's get into it. Three friends shared some books as follows. Abbas got 1/3 of the total, and the remainder was shared between Iman and Collins in the ratio 3:2. So if Collins got 24 books, find the total number of books that were shared. Then how many books did Abbas got? So this is more or less like the episode 20 as we did. But in that episode, the number of books, total number of books were given. So we only find the fraction of the books and we are good to go. We are going to follow the same method, taking a variable to represent the total number of books since we don't know it. So let's begin. So if we are going to begin, we can say that let y represent total number of what? Books. So if total number of books is y, Abbas is taking 1/3 of that number. So we can say that Abbas receive 1/3. Let me bring equals to 1/3 of the amount, and we know of is multiplication. So you are multiplying that. So this is what Abbas is receiving. So Abbas receive 1/3 of that total. We end here, and the remainder. So if Abbas has taken 1/3 of y, what will be the remainder? The remainder is going to be the total money that is there minus what Abbas has taken. Abbas has taken his portion, we are left with total, meaning total which is y minus what Abbas received. And we can see that this is also 1 minus 1/3. So that will give us 2/3. So that will be 2/3 of y. That is the remainder, right? I've explained how we can subtract a fraction from 1. We only look for a number we add to the numerator to get the denominator, or take away the numerator from the denominator. You will get 2 divided by the same denominator. That gives you the fraction quotient. So the remainder was shared between these people. So the remainder is this. So we can have our ratio as Iman is to Collins. Then the ratio we have is what? 3 is to 2. 3 for Iman, 2 for Collins. So let's see, our total ratio is going to be 3 plus 2, which is 5. So let's take it first person. So Iman's share, or Iman's receive, what is the ratio corresponding to Iman? Is 3, right? What is the total ratio? Is 5 times what they are to share, which is 2/3 of y, right? Good. That is what this person is going to receive. But let's see. Okay, we should have let's begin with Collins, because we know what Collins received. So let's just say Collins share as the first person, okay? Collins share is going to be Collins ratio, which is 2 out of the total ratio times what they are sharing. And we can say that Collins share is given as what? 24. So in place of this, we put 24 equals to 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 5, 15 times y. So y times 4, that will be 4y. Then 24 will also multiply this. That is cross multiplication. I have 4y equals to 24 times 15. But I'm looking for y, so let's have 4y divided by 4. 24 times 15 divided by 4. You can see that 4 will go here 6, and 6 will multiply that. So I'll be having y equals to 6 times 15. I believe that will be 90. So therefore, we can see that the 90 books is what was shared. So if 90 book is what is shared, we can now go back and find what Iman received. So how many books? Okay, we only want what Abbas received. Abbas is receiving what? 1/3 of this money. So let's see, books. So from here, we can see that Abbas, which is question number 2, right? So Abbas got 1/3 of y, and the y is what? 90, and that gives us 30 books. So Abbas is taking 30 of the books. Then Collins take 24. So 24 plus 30 minus 90 will give us what Iman will receive. I believe you followed through with me from the beginning. If you have any question or contribution, do that in the comment section. Let's get interactive as we learn together. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.